rate of prenatal care among Hello mothers. So by the way, before I will start, I am Chair AJ Ali from Sulu State College Faculty School of Nursing. Prenatal care is a medical attention given to pregnant women, and the World Health Organization recommended 4 to 8 times prenatal care visits a pregnant woman should have during pregnancy. However, despite the extensive information dissemination campaign of the governments and the benefits of prenatal care, disparities in its utilization persist with some pregnant women. They fail to seek prenatal care in a timely and consistent manner. So these studies sought to determine the access rate, the factors affecting the access rate to prenatal care, the significant influence of the factors to the access rate, and the significant differences between the access rate to prenatal care and socio-demographic characteristics among mothers and Hello. For the methods and methodology, this research employed a descriptive quantitative correlational approach. And using the purposive sampling method, the study involves 100 mothers within reproductive age across 4 barangays from Holo, province of Sulu as the respondents, and the data gathered from primary sources through a valid and reliable questionnaire. To answer the research questions, several statistical tools were utilized, such as the frequency and percentage, to determine the percent of the access rate, exploratory factor analysis, to find out what are the factors affecting the access rate to prenatal. And we also have linear regression in the one-way ANOVA. So these slides presents the frequency, the table, frequency and percentage of socio-demographic characteristics of the mothers. So in here, the variables, we have the age, it was over-tampered. We have the age, majority from this one is ranging from 35 to 50 years of age. And then for the gravida, most of the respondents were multigravida with 3 years and above birth interval, as well as multipara. And among them shows no significant high-risk pregnancy. And for the level of education, most of the respondents were high school graduates. And for the monthly income, majority of the respondents have only 3,000 to 5,000 pesos monthly income. And among them, mostly of them were unemployed, which is 73%. For the table 2, it shows the frequency and percentage of access rate on prenatal care. So as recommended by the WHO, pregnant mothers should visit or have prenatal care for at least 4 to 8 times. In this study, it was out of 100 respondents, 83% had visited clinics or rural health unit or barangay health station for 4 to 8 times. 4 to 8 times. And then 7% of them has only visited the clinics for 1 to 2 times, and 10% that never visit the clinics at all or never had a prenatal care at all. For this one, by utilizing the exploratory factor analysis for exploring factors affecting access rate, there are several factors that was determined. One of First one is the cultural factors, and then there is accessibility factors also, and then healthcare provider factors. So for cultural factors, there were found 3 sub-variables, which are or dimensions, which are the misconception, social support, and the beliefs. So for misconception, with the weighted mean of 1.93, it shows a low cultural factors, and social support with the weighted mean of 4.23 with very high cultural factors, and the beliefs 3.55 was also described as high cultural factors. For the accessibility factors, there were 4 dimensions under this. One of those was transportation, and then there is also operational hours, resource availability, and affordability. For the transportation, with the weighted mean of 2.87, with the description of moderate accessibility factors, operational hours with the weighted mean of 4.08 with the high accessibility factors, and then resources availability with a weighted mean of 3.26, moderate accessibility factors, and affordability 4.3 with very high accessibility factors. And then the last one, we have also the healthcare provider factors, which are communication methods, level of services with the healthcare providers, and mothers' awareness and the importance of prenatal care. All of these with the weighted mean description as high, very high healthcare provider factors. And then table 6 also shows the regression coefficients for access rate. Among of those factors, it was based on the significant data here, accessibility factors in the healthcare provider factors were found out to be significant, which which predict the access rate. And then cultural factors are not significant except for level of education. So for the findings and discussion, as previously discussed, the barriers identified: older age, lower income, employment status, and then 83% of the access rate was identified, 10% was never. And then based on the factors, there were accessibility factors and healthcare provider factors were among the factors that influence access rate. Meanwhile, cultural factors does not influence access. So all in all, to conclude this study that 83% older and lower age employment might be barriers to accessing prenatal care. Notably, accessibility and healthcare provider factors emerge as significant predictors. However, cultural does not. And furthermore, transportation, cost, availability, operational hours, affordability, communication methods, healthcare workers, level of services provided by the healthcare providers, and the mother's awareness and the importance of prenatal care that were communicated during health teaching emerged as significant determinants of the access rate. And lastly, the study under sustainment. So that would be all. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening.